Okay, what we've got here is the Paducah Gas and Steam Show 2010. We left 1900s a long time ago. These are some of our engines. These are Waterloo engines. This is a John Smythe 12 horse.
Ain't enough material there. Can't get this board out ready for that.
This engine is an 8 horse John Smythe. This engine is a Prey, also built by Waterloo. Six horsepower. This is a 4 horsepower John Smythe. This is a 2.5 horse John Smythe. Not running. Got a spring bad on it. But it will run. Little brother is a 1.5 horse John Smythe. Upper cooled. Horse and a half air cooled John Smythe running. Horse John Deere, E-Series, late model, 1941, truck, runs good, good show. We had up in the neighborhood of 400 gas engines here this weekend.